Hey guys, my name is Jack and this is my 2021 Chevy Colorado ZR2. The truck has a 4-inch BDS lift with some 35-inch tires. Chose the Chevy Colorado ZR2 for the awesome upgrades it comes with over the standard Colorado, which the front and rear lockers, the little bit of a lift to it already, and the awesome Multimatic shocks. I went with the BDS kit because it retains the most awesome part about the truck, which is the Multimatic shocks, and allows to keep that, and it gives it a little bit more aggressive stance and raises it up just a little bit more. And I went with the 35 by 12.5 inch ridge grapplers. I think they look awesome on this truck and give it a good stance, and it looks proportional now. The Nitto tires are wrapped around a 17 by 8.5 inch Dirty Life wheel. It is the Dirty Life cage, and it has a 4.5 inch back spacing. The truck handles awesome on the road, especially with the shocks. It has a great ride quality, plenty of travel, and it handles well at speeds and handles the dirt roads and off-roading very well. I bought this truck to be kind of an all-around truck. I go off-roading with it, do long road trips on the road, and I carry around dirt bikes all the time. I go camping. It is the perfect just all-around vehicle, and the BDS kit definitely makes doing a lot of those things easier, and I can actually go even more places now. Along with the BDS lift and the larger tires, I added a roof rack on the top of that to haul extra gear and a rooftop tent. Some future mods, I include a 456 re-gear to help spin those tires, along with a tune to change up the transmission shift points along with the engine and how everything acts, and kind of sync it all together with those new gears. Possibly a supercharger as well. Overall, I loved owning this truck. It is an awesome truck, good all-around vehicle, and it's even more better with the BDS lift kit on it. If you want to get your own, check out bds-suspension.com.